Alright, let's unlock the perfect sound for your HyperX Cloud III headset.
Feeling like your new headset sounds a bit flat or muddy? You're not alone.
But the good news is, you don't need to be an audio pro to fix it. Let's dive into the tool that will completely change your sound, the Equalizer, or EQ.
First up, just open the HyperX Ingenuity software and navigate to the Equalizer tab.
Okay, it's pretty simple. We're just focusing on three main areas: lows, mids, and highs.
Okay, let's craft our first sound recipe, and we're starting with competitive gaming.
For games like shooters, the goal is crystal clear enemy sounds, not just big explosions. Check this out. This sound shape is perfect for gaming, with the highs cranked up. And why does this work? You'll hear those critical footsteps and reloads with absolute clarity. All right, now let's switch things up and craft a perfect sound profile for music.
What we want here is a really balanced and detailed sound that lets everything shine. So you'll notice this gentle V shape. It's a fantastic starting point for most music.
This setup gives you great depth and punch, but keeps the vocals crisp and clear.
And finally, let's get that big cinematic sound for when you're watching movies.
The goal here is to feel the action, but without ever losing the dialogue.
So for this, we're boosting the bass to really feel that rumble and impact. This profile makes everything feel huge and immersive. You know, just like a real theater.
So, these recipes are awesome starting points, but the real magic is up to you.
Seriously, this is the most important part. There's no perfect setting, only your perfect setting.
So pick a starting recipe, test it out, and tweak those sliders until it's perfect.
You've got the tools and the recipes, so go on. What will your perfect sound be? Alright, let's unlock the perfect sound for your HyperX